Hello, I'm Diane Tusek. I am a nurse and have used guided imagery with my patients for over 25 years. Research has shown that the use of guided imagery can help you cope with any stressful or difficult issues that you may be going through. Studies have shown that it may reduce anxiety, pain, side effects of treatments, speed up the recovery process, and help you to sleep better. Guided imagery helps you to maintain control in your life. It allows you to come to grips with any thoughts or feelings that you may be struggling with, and allows you to work through them, feeling confident, supported, relaxed, and at peace. Let's take this time together to settle down and allow yourself to feel as comfortable as possible. Begin by closing your eyes and slowly take a deep breath through your nose. Filling your lungs and all the cells of your body with the nutrients that it may need. Then exhaling very slowly to the count of 4. Black out any distracting thoughts and sounds. And if your mind wanders, and it may, just notice them and then slowly let them drift away. And slowly bring your attention back to my voice and the slow, steady rhythm of your breathing. Feeling a wave of peace and
Sample complete. Ready to continue?